in that right shoulder, and he does. Oh, the jackhammer slam.
Goldberg hooking up Jericho.
He got him up.
And jackhammer. As if he's saying, you're next.
This is bad.
Beating hard inside. No. Jackhammer. On the bloody champion. Triple H is up. Will it be? No. Jackhammer. Jackhammer. And now. Jackhammer. The jackhammer.
Watch this. Turn the TV off. Oh, The Rock is watching, King. Oh.
Look at the strength. Into the jackhammer. The jackhammer. Goldberg making Christian think about it. One arm. Goldberg. Jackhammer. 280 pounds.
Section. Oh, my God. Whoa. That's a look at this. Jackhammer slam.
Let's start him up. One arm. Here it comes. Oh, Goldberg. Jackhammer. This is... And Goldberg has got Rodney Mack up.
And unfortunately for Steven Richards, he's on the fingertips right now. Oh, the jackhammer slam. What's next? Oh, no. Good night. Don't look, Gabe, don't look. It could be the next heavyweight tip.
Goldberg.
Jackhammer slam is in. Oh, baby.
The spear. This. My God. Jackhammer. Jackhammer there. Oh, my God. He did it. Goldberg did it. Goldberg with a second spear. Jackhammer.